Hey everyone, so I have a custom order that I'm going to be trying this out. The colors were a little out of my norm, so I thought, well, I'll just film it and maybe we'll get to see how pretty this Boilermaker is going to come out. She had given me a color palette that I would never put together, but I think it will work if we lay the colors right. So our colors today are Artist Loft Light Blue, and then I took some of that and mixed it with white to give us a really pretty sky blue. Champagne Pearl, Rose Gold, Copper. She wanted a Goldenrod, so I took some yellow ochre and mixed it with Cad Yellow Medium, and it gave me this pretty goldenrod color. We're using our Brilliant Red from Soho and Artist Loft Naples Yellow. So we're going to go ahead and put some white in the cup since we're doing a Boilermaker. A little bit too much there. I got to remember what size canvas I'm using. Alright, so I have them laid out, I think, in the order I'm going to go. Except I'm going to move this blue to the other side of that. So there's the light blue, some champagne pearl, and let's go with the sky blue. Some rose gold, some copper, I think I'm going to go with the goldenrod here. Actually, let me just pick it up on my stick. I don't want it to overwhelm the painting. A little bit of red, and some Naples Yellow. And I'm going to go back in with the little bit of champagne pearl and a little bit more of the blue, some yellow, and some copper. So I think we should be okay there. Just going to dump that in my cup. Go down. Normally kerplunks. Here it goes. It's very slow going down. That was weird. My paint must be cold. So I'm going to go ahead and flip my canvas. I do want to let that air out so the cup will come down. There we go. I'll let that out. Save that white, I might need it. I see all my colors in there. Let's give it a quick torch and see what comes up besides the bubbles. Alright, I see most of my color is here, so I know I can tilt this way first. And I definitely don't want the blue to take over either. So I'm going to stretch that down. It's nice to get a custom order once in a while just to challenge you a little bit on different color palettes. get stuck in one that we love and we never want to try different colors together, so I definitely told her I'd give it a try. And I think that's actually really pretty. Let me give that a torch. So a lot more color is going to come up through this white here because it's all underneath. How about if we let this sit for a little bit and see what develops? It's really pushing through now. So let's leave that and we'll be back in a few. Okay, so I let it set for 10 minutes. I did get a lot of little cells coming up. Of course, it's going to develop over time, and it will be more, the cells will get a little bit bigger. The only thing I didn't like is this little line here. I did blow it a little bit there, but I think I'm going to hit it with my airbrush just to bring that into the white a little bit. And that should open up some color. That way we didn't have that straight line. But other than that, I kind of like it, and I think it's going to dry a little darker than what it is right now. Let me give you a close-up. So we have lots of little cells. But it should be pretty when it's dry. All the colors will be vibrant, and the white will settle down when these start to dry. But that's it for that one, guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, click below and hit the bell. You'll be notified when we upload the next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join us on Facebook. Join our group, the Barrage Posse. All you gotta do is answer the questions and come in and enjoy everybody's beautiful art. We also have our Christina Welch Art page. Shop with us on Amazon for all your paint pouring supplies, and Etsy for paintings. Right now they're 50% off until the end of this week, and we have our auction on Saturday starting at 8 p.m. I'll be putting a video up with all the available paintings for that. And also Stone Coat Art Coat Resin. We still have the code POSSE, P-O-S-S-E, at checkout. We'll get you $10 off a $95 order. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one. Bye now.